on the issue of how can you living outside Nigeria find true love back home. Is there any possibility to get a woman you will call your own with full trust and love, even kindness? That is the topic of today. Can you find your own wife back home? A sister yesterday asked us to discuss this topic, and I made a telephone number, social media call in access for you to be able to reach, call in, share the video, invite your friends. Let us deliberate. As the sister said yesterday, how can you find true love back home? Is there any possibility of finding true love? If yes, call in and let me know. Let the world hear your voice. Let the world hear what you are saying. If there is any room for somebody to get wife of his own. My people, welcome once again. I said our show got to start 8 o'clock German time or 8:30, but I'm sorry that I just started late. Something happened. As I'm talking now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe. Promote our video, invite others, share the video on your page, share the video on your Facebook. Let others join. Let us deliberate. Many guys will leave Europe, moving to Africa maybe 10 times, looking for a woman to marry, but they will never ever find one. While in Africa, millions of graduates, well-qualified ladies are there, but there is no husband. While there is husband, what is the problem? Why is it not working? Why can't they find themselves? Why can't they locate themselves? What is wrong? Is it the guy's fault that they are thinking or looking for a lady that is behaving like a Western, somebody from Western world? Or is from the lady's side, they are looking for a different package altogether? And if the guys raises their hand, every lady will said, "Ekwere, I'm with you." Is this such a thing a nice move or a wrong move? Call in, tell us the best way to follow to find your own property. Stay tuned. So, the number we are using today is also the same number. The WhatsApp is the same. You may add +23481 437 52944 on your phone so that you will be able to call with your WhatsApp. You may call with your Signal app. You can call with your Viber, or you reach us through Skype, Miro African TV. You may also call with Facebook Messenger. Search on Facebook, Miro African TV. You will find us there. You may call in with the Facebook Messenger app, or you dial +1 253 299 2978, or you may dial +49 203 451 60927. Give us your idea, your view, because many ladies that are living abroad cannot find husband back home, and many ladies back home cannot also find husband in abroad. And many guys living abroad, moving to Africa to look for a wife, does come back empty-handed. What is the problem? Where are they making mistakes? Are they looking in a wrong direction? Are they making wrong moves? Are they trying to do one thing or the other to attract the ladies? Or the mentality is the problem? Because those living in the African continent do things differently, behave differently, reason differently. Everything is different from those from the Western world. Western world is more advanced. Most of them are even more local than the ones in Africa. But they claim that they are more advanced, looking for something special. If it's our people, they say that but at the end of the day, they will not find one. And even though they find one, at the end of the day, the home will be boiling. What is the problem? How can we be able to ratify? Because I know when a man finds his own property, peace will reign. Yes, misunderstanding may occur. That is normal in family, but it will not boil over. So let our people call in, air your view, tell us where the mistake lies, and how can we be able, because many of our brothers are very successful. They went back to Africa, they get something, and they are living happily. Most of our sisters went back home in Africa, they find a husband, and they are living happily wherever they are in advanced world. But the majority of those that are not yet married, that are still looking, are many, more than the ones that are find their ribs. Can those that use their techniques to find their own give out the tips, the best way to find true love, if there is anyone? Because coming from advanced world to Africa, as you raise your hand, everybody's interested. How can you be able to figure out among 1001 that is interested, the one that is true love? Which game should I play? Hello, Juliet. Greetings from my side. Today is the topic. How can you find true love in abroad, in Africa, every corner? Is there any possibility to find true love? That's the question of today. The stage is now yours. Air your view by writing, by calling in. Just let's deliberate. Let me look for a music that I will be able to play so that YouTube will not be able to attack us. Because when we play Egwu Igbo, some white people will claim that they are the owners of the music. You know, we doesn't know where we belong again. But so as I'm still looking for the music to play, please call in. Let us deliberate. Let us know the best way to be able to find our lost rib, if I may put it that way. So, egwu ebe a nọ. Is there any possibility or a way to be able to figure out the one that belongs to you? Something you may call your own. All the music that I hear, if I play it, our video will be blocked by YouTube. I know that such a program does move with very powerful love music. So, for those that are joining us now, the topic of today, how can you find true love where you are living, outside your area, in Africa, in advanced world, in Asia, any corner on this planet? Is there any way you'll be able to find the true love? Is there anyone back home in Africa? Because this is Miro African Television. It covers all African continent as a whole. Because if you are coming from advanced world, looking for your rapes in Africa, everybody's interested. Everybody wants to join the boat. How can we be able to figure out the real one? Call us on WhatsApp. Call us on Vibe, Signal, Skype, telephone number. The room is open. I don't know why our people do slip off when such a question is coming in. If it's politics now, Biafra against Nigeria, millions of people will be calling, insulting, throwing their view. But the matter that matters most, something that touches you, everyday activity, is this question. The first question is if the person loves himself or herself, because you can't give what you don't have. Hmm. Can anybody among those people watching here say that the soup that their mother is cooking is not sweet or delicious? Asking if they love themselves. Everybody loves himself. Most of them are even in love on their own self. That's why when they get married, they want the woman to worship them, or the woman will want the man to worship them like God. That's why I said they love themselves. And loving themselves or giving out this love to somebody else is another question. Because somebody may love himself and lock the door. He would not like to share the love with an outsider. That is the issue, or the future husband, or so-called husband. That's it. If you have another question or another view, put it on, or you call in. Calling in will help, because people will get bored hearing only my voice. Thank you. Call is coming in. Hello.
Hello,
Hello, our first caller. Please, what's your name and where you're calling from?
I'm Jeffrey calling from Italy.
Hello, my brother from Italy. How are you today?
I'm fine. Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to Miro African Television.
Thank you.
So, how
So the
can you be
question
able to
is,
find your true love in Africa?
well, in that question, I will say you can find true love there in Africa by the character. Just I mean, so many people do mistake of saying Facebook, the chef and all these things and say that I love you, I did this, I just those things I don't believe that those laws those people are saying, I don't believe that is true. You understand me? Because
Mm-hmm.
you cannot see somebody in Facebook and say that I love you without seeing the person's character and all these things. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
So a true love must be shown to character. You
Okay.
understand
The
me?
shape of the person doesn't play any role, whether it's Coca-Cola figure or the hot soup in a tight jean.
What? What?
I mean, the shape of the lady, does it play any role in your decision if you want to get married? Because the good
No, no,
one that
no.
has the character you are talking now may be a little bit larger or maybe thinner. Would the shape of the person play a role in the relationship?
My brother, to me, everybody has his or her own test. That's what I mean. To
Yeah.
me, height or beauty or ugly has no role to play whenever I'm searching for a wife. That's what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
Because if if I search for a height person or a short person or all these things, when the person will bring out the bad character in her, I will not see those material, those heights and all these things. I just me any longer. Those things will be nothing to me again. I just me. So to me, the best thing to search for is the good character. I understand. And that good character is what will motivate me to say that this is the right person for me. I just and which is the love we are talking of. And in first place, before I will searching for somebody good character, I will first of all ask myself, am I okay? I just understand me.
Mm-hmm.
Because there is the saying that said in English as charity begins at home. I just understand.
Yes.
You cannot be able to say that you need somebody that's with good character. Why you yourself are searching for somebody with good character? You don't have a good character. I just understand me.
Mm-hmm.
So in that matter now, I will say that me myself as somebody that wants to look for a wife, I will first of all make proper take good care of my brain by knowing if I'm spiritually well matured. That's what I mean. Maturity, I mean, is not by age. I mean, like mentally matured. That's what I mean.
And will age play any role when you are looking for a wife to marry?
Age has no role to play in marriage. That's what I mean. Age is numbered.
Okay,
That's
you
what I
want to
mean.
tell me
What
a man of 44 years old may go back home and get married to a child of 20 years?
man or woman?
Man
Which
of,
one will be first?
I
Which
mean,
one be
a
first? Which one will be
man or a woman, okay, let me use the word, maybe woman of 44 may, but a man that is 44 years old, can he get married to a lady that is 20 years because you are looking for a wife to marry?
a man of 45 years
44, 45, anyone,
getting married to a girl of a lady of
20 years old.
that is a very little age. I'm telling you, people of 60 years getting married to 20 something.
Oh,
50.
you
Have you
mean
not
that
heard of
men
this?
looking
People
at
of
a men looking for a
50.
woman, a man that is up to 44, if you find your love, everything on 20 years old child, you should go ahead and do that.
What we are talking, my brother, to me, all these things are self decision. That's what I mean.
Yes.
To me, I'm talking of myself now. I'm not talking of other people's life,
Okay. For let,
way
let
of
me
life
let me
living.
change the
Just
the 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 the, the formula of the question. If you are 44 years old and you are looking for a wife
okay.
now to marry, you went back home and fall in love to 20 years, will you go ahead to do the normal activities to get married to her? Is it normal for you?
Subito, subito. I will do it very fast.
But
That's what I mean. I will do it very fast.
don't you think that tomorrow, because the lady have not eaten what we call red rice at the age of 20, she may mess around while living under your command?
Do you hear what I said for the first time? I said character.
Yes.
That's what I mean. A girl or a lady with a good character that are well home trained, that's what I mean,
Yes.
will not ever, once you know that I'm a married person, will not look, and they already know your age and accept, will not look good tomorrow for all this nonsense of issues and all these things. That's what I
But
mean.
she
But
knows
a
that you are coming
woman
from
that are not
abroad,
well trained,
my brother. She knows you are coming from Western world and she's in Africa.
no,
Maybe condition
no,
may
my
press
brother,
her to
my
adopt.
brother, no, no, I disagree with that. That's what I mean. Many of our youth get this wrong here because we are coming from the Western world. The woman. Okay, have you not seen a guy that came back from Western world that asked a girl out for marriage? The girl disappointed her. Have you not heard that?
Yes, there
Western
is
world or
every
not Western world
possibility.
doesn't take anything. It takes place in the fools. The girls that they are lost, for lost, not for love. That's what I mean. The
Yes.
ones that you are coming for who you are, not for what you are, not for who you are.
My people,
That's
if
what
you are
I mean.
trying to call in, if the line is not going, please put it in writing. Make me to understand that the line is busy so that I will create another platform for you to be able to call in. Like yesterday, many people
Okay.
called later that the line was engaged. But my brother, continue. I just want to inform them.
Okay.
Is the
So
So the viewers, are you also in support in what this our brother is saying now, or there
what
is a place that you doesn't agree with him? You may put it in writing or also call in. God bless you.
what is he saying?
No, I am telling them to write to ask question if they believe in what you are saying.
Okay. So what I was saying is this. Maybe as I am in Italy now, maybe tomorrow I go back to Nigeria for me to look for a wife to marry, and if, hopefully I now find a girl and she said that truly she loved me. Why she know in her own heart that she did not love me because of maybe I come back from the Western world and she thinks that everything are okay and all this kind of stuff. The woman or the lady, she herself is deceiving herself. I just understand me. That is lost. It's not the love. What we are saying here is love, not love, right?
Yes, love. How can you be
Yes,
able to find your true love?
yes. The true love, how can you can find the true love is the true character. I just
But you
understand me.
have only
And
3 weeks to spend in
this
Africa. How can you be able to dictate the character under 3 weeks?
huh?
You have 3 weeks to spend in Africa. How can you be able to dictate this character you are
My
mentioning
brother,
under
my
3 weeks?
brother, I can never go to Africa to go and look for a wife and I bought my ticket to be 3 weeks. I cannot do that. My ticket must be 6 months ticket. I cannot cut 3 weeks ticket. What am I doing? We are going to talk of a life. That's a
For
lifetime
better, for
partner here,
worse,
not talking of a boyfriend and
until
girlfriend.
death do us part.
Huh?
For better, for worse, right?
Yes, that is what we are talking of. I cannot just cut 3 weeks a ticket. All the years I've been in Europe and staying single. Now I'm starting something up that will take me to a lifetime. I will go and cut a 3 weeks ticket. Am I insane? I must do it like 6 months and have time. Spend quality time. Check the person's character, the kind of the things he hates and the kind of things she hates and things she likes. The kind of the family, the all these things. That is why our people then go to the family and check the family histories. And I think you understand me.
Yes.
I don't know your I don't know your place. Our people they do all these things. Check the family histories of the parents and all these things. I do understand. When you know all these things and check the girl if she's living the good character and all these things, make inquiries about her. You cannot do it in 3 weeks. I do understand me. So
Yes.
when you do all these things, after all these things, you now check if she really lives in you. It, that is what is called test. You give her test. This because you have already know that you are coming from Western world, so that Western world will not deceive you yourself. Because sometimes you will be trying to set a trap for person, and the trap will catch you yourself.
Okay.
So you set a test to her and know what she needs. If the money is what she needs, and you find out she's from a poor home, and you have the money, you help the girl and let her move. Then you continue with your searching. And so, something.
Yes.
So then when you find out that she herself really meant what she when she said that I love you and she really meant it love. And one of the problem we that are coming back from the Western world, the one of the problems we are having or the things that are causing all these problems of marriage, they finally land in love, not love. Is this when they are coming back, they want to go and look for a girl to marry. They will be telling the girl, I have a house, like 3 houses in Lagos, like 2 estates in Ibadan, two in Onisha. A girl you want to spend your life with, you are telling her all the, even if it's not the person that is not interested, she may develop interest. As you understand me?
Okay.
So when you are coming to something of life partner, and you're not talking of relationship, even if you call tomorrow, I can look for another girl. You need to bring yourself down. You need to humble yourself first. First of all, he hands everything onto the hands of God. You make it in prayer. So if you're somebody of all this Amadio, you go to Amadio and do some sacrifice. If you're somebody of a Christianity person, he hand it into God's hands. Just if you are somebody of maybe you believe in all this maybe Muslim, you pray your Quran very well because you're talking of life and partner. Just then you do your work. Why God or your ancestors as are doing their work, you do your own work. That is what to take marriage. That's what it takes. It's the assignment you must bring out time to
But
look for
many
or to do
guys
it.
do that want to get married will tell you they are looking for
Uh,
figure eight, they are looking for baby like tall baby, they are looking for something where they're too beautiful they can present in public. Is this such a thing normal? Or looking for a wife means only character
my
that
brother,
will make you happy at home?
remember what I told you before. Everybody get what the person needs. Understand me? I'm not okay. Let me ask you a question. What of if I say, okay, let me look for something that is very good to present in public. Fortunately for me now, I now get to see someone that is giant, fair, breast, and the back yard and all these things. In the public, she is good to present, but in the yard, I'm in hellfire. So who is the
Um, yes, I'm
who is
with
deceiving
you.
who? If you marry for public, not for yourself. You are in the air, you are in hellfire. In the public, people will be telling you, this your wife is good. Why you in the yard, you are in hellfire. And you remain in hellfire till you die because you have already come for better for once. She will remain there with you until death do us part. That means you remain in hellfire from here on earth and go. Maybe you will still go there and still face a hellfire after the war. Do you understand me?
And
So the
if
best thing is for
I
you
have
to
another
look for the
question for
person
you,
here, not the ugly.
I
There is
have another
this
question
peace
for
prayer.
you.
Whatsoever. I think peace prayer or which person say nobody ugly. I do understand me. Nobody
Yes.
ugly. It's character that matters. I
Uh,
don't believe in all these ugly things. It's what you call your dog will answer you.
okay. Nice
I don't
point.
me, me myself. I don't believe in ugly. I believe in what I call my dog. That is what my dog will answer me. If the girl has the character, the qualities I need, I will go ahead and marry her. I'm not married for public, I'm married for myself. You know something?
Good
Whenever
point.
I remember my home, I feel peace at home. I just understand. Not when I come out in the public, people will hear me and say, hey, brother, you have a very good wife here. But then when I get home, I will be in hell. Huh?
Yes, I feel
So
you.
that is what I will say is character. Just I mean, to find a good wife is character.
Okay.
So
So
that is where I finalize my word.
thank you for calling in, my brother. God bless you. Thank you for joining our show. My people, you have heard our brother. He have aired his show, his view on finding true love. That if you want to get true love from outside African continent, you have to make budget of 6 months ticket. And if you are buying 6 months ticket, you know, coming from abroad, whatever you are doing back home costs you money, and you will be financially well equipped. That means it's not easy. It's more expensive as the thing sounds. So, my people, do you have any other thing, any other question to add? Because this topic is like it's less attractive. Um, I would like to ask another question. How oft will your lover cheat on you before you will send her away? How long will your lover, your wife, cheat on you? Maybe because I notice that love doesn't die so easily. But cheating on you, the man and the woman, how oft will she do it before you say enough is enough? Maybe if she do it the first time, she may tell you that is the cause of alcohol, you may forgive. And she cheat on you again and tell you it wasn't her decision, somebody pushed her to do it or something else. How oft will your lover cheat on you before you maybe you pack out from that house? I'm waiting for your response. This place is too quiet today. What is going on? What is happening? Yesterday, people came live. Maybe many of them came after off the program. Um, My question now is this: how often will you endure cheating in your loving family? I will give it some minutes, then we may call it a day. Tomorrow will be another day, another thing will be discussed. But we'll be running this show like this. If you are coming in for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. If you have issues that you will love us to discuss, put it in writing, send it to us, then we would like to deliberate on it. But I do run the show from YouTube to Facebook, Facebook to YouTube. So you may follow us on Facebook under the platform of, let me put it in writing. So you may follow us on Facebook on this link that I'm going to send in now, so that you will follow us. Ayamalele, ayamalele, ayama. Ayamalele, ayamalele, ayama. So my people, this is my Facebook. Follow Miro Africa. Like our page. Be with us. I would say now let's call it a day because people are not responding. Only this our brother that called in and air his view. This show would be nice if all of us are contributing to push ourselves, teach ourselves, give ourselves the best tips, best way to follow. Let's call it a day. God bless you. Bye bye for now. We'll see us tomorrow.